The central bank's decision to raise the repo rate by 50 basis points was in line with the BS poll. At 5.4%, rates are now above the pre-pandemic level. However, the central bank is still behind its developed economy peers in rate hikes. A Business Standard analysis found that Bank of England had raised rates by 1.65 percentage points since March 2020, whereas the Fed has instituted a 2.25 percentage point rate hike. In contrast, rates in India have gone up by 1.4 percentage points. Besides the rate hike, the governor announced liquidity measures like variable repo rate and variable reverse repo rate auctions. The central bank has retained its inflation and growth forecast for FY23. The future course of rate action remains predicated upon action by global central banks and management of inflation expectations. As the central bank raised rates, banks quickly passed the rate hikes to their borrowers. Banks increased the external benchmark linked rates. Bank of Baroda, Punjab National Bank and ICICI Bank raised rates on Saturday following RBI's decision. The repo rate linked rate for Bank of Baroda stands at 7.95% with a 2.55 percentage point premium over the repo rate. The rate for PNB went up from 7.4 to 7.9%. ICICI Bank's EBLR linked to the repo rate stands at 9.1%. After the Reserve Bank of India on July 6 announced that banks could raise money from FCNRB and NRE deposits without any interest cap, HDFC seems to have made some serious gains. As per reports, the bank garnered $300 million in NRE deposits by offering 50 basis points more than the prevailing rates. Most of the deposits were attracted from the Middle East. The RBI move is expected to fund the inflow of dollars as investors flee to safe haven assets. RBI has been trying various measures to keep the rupee below the $80 mark. While private banks have been doing well, public sector insurers face problems. A recent audit by CAG found that all 4 public sector insurers posted an aggregate loss of 26,364 crore rupees between 2016-17 and 2020-21. The report further said that the losses were due to group health insurance policies where the premium charged was less and the claim outgo was more compared to retail policies. In terms of coverage, public health insurers have been losing ground to private insurers recently. Health insurance coverage also remains low in the country.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
I am the blue of the limitless sky. I am the inspiration that led success soar high. I will achieve, I will fly high. I am the I in SBI.
I'm backed by the nation's trusted bank, SBI, the banker to every Indian.